Did you know you can make corn on the cob in the oven? I'm gonna show you how to do it today. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share a lot of simple recipes like this one. So if you're just learning how to cook or wanna gain more confidence in the kitchen, hit the red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. Here I have 4 ears of corn that I've already removed them from the husk and they're ready to go. Here, I've got some melted butter. I'm gonna be using whole garlic cloves for today's recipe. If you don't have any, you could also use garlic powder. I'll make sure that below the video you have all the ingredient measurements. Now we're gonna make some garlic butter, and to do that, you could use a large knife and mince your garlic, or do it the easy way like I do, and I take a grater and grate it right into the butter. Make sure to flip it over and remove all that garlic from the bottom. To that, we're also going to add a little bit of salt. And then just take a small spoon and mix it all around. So now that we have this awesome garlic butter, we are gonna take our corn and wrap it up. I've cut some pieces of foil into squares that I'm going to use to wrap each ear of corn. So I'm gonna place the corn directly in the middle of the foil. Every time you wanna mix this garlic butter really well, and then take a spoon and pour it right over. And then you want to rub it all around, and then we're gonna wrap it up in foil. Now, I like to do this big, simple packet as opposed to real tight. It just makes it easier afterwards. And as I wrap each of them, I'm just placing them on the sheet pan that'll go in the oven. You can, of course, save any leftover of this garlic butter for later. And these are gonna go in a preheated oven just like this for about 30 minutes. Guys, these little packets smell amazing, and I haven't even opened them. So what's great is that everything you need is inside of these. Check it out. And just like that, the oven did all the work. Watch this next video, and I'll see you next time.